Hello guys, welcome to Easy Class YouTube channel.
Guys, here I have taken one concave mirror. In Kannada it is called Pina Darpana, and this is one stand here, and this concave mirror having the focal length of 15 centimeter. Okay, this is the 15 centimeter. As of you know, in the previous video I told that the distance between mirror pole of the mirror and the center of curvature, that will be doubled of the focal length. Because of this reason, if it is a 15, then it is also 15, the total distance will be 30 centimeter. Okay, and in as of you know from your textbook, the cases of image formation, the first case is the object is placed at infinite distance. Okay, I have taken here a lamp with a bottle cap. On the bottle cap I have placed that lamp. Okay, this is placed at infinite distance. Okay, as you know, the object is placed at infinite distance. From your textbook you know that the image is formed at principal focus. Okay, let's check this is correct or not. Okay, first I am going to place, this is a white screen, white screen. I am using this white card sheet. Okay, in center of curvature, here also image is not forming at center of curvature. No. Okay, see here, this is the principal focus. Okay, in the principal focus you are going to see the object here. Okay, this is the object. Object is sharpened, and this object is, this image is here, you are going to see the image. Okay, on the principal focus, this image is pointed object and it is a diminished image. Okay, this is the diminished, means the size is highly decreased. Because of this reason, image is point image. When the object is placed at infinite, image formed is point image, and the position of image formed is principal focus. Okay, see here, this is the image. Okay, now when object is placed behind the center of curvature. Okay, now I will bring this object exactly behind the center of curvature. When object is placed behind the center of curvature, the image formation takes place in between CF, means center of curvature, and focal length. Okay, now I will check this. Okay, see here, here I made one dot here. This indicates that the image, this is the midpoint of C and F. Okay, see here, you are seeing a clear image, and this is inverted light. Okay, inverted lamp it is seeing. Because of this reason, it is a real image, and here the image is little bit enlarged. In previous case, the image is diminished, and here is image is enlarged, and image formation takes place in between focal length and center of curvature. Okay, this is second case. In third case, object is placed on center of curvature. Okay, when object is placed in center of curvature, the image formation takes place, the sharpened image. Okay, the sharp image formation takes place on the center of curvature only. Okay, see here, this is the sharpened image. This image is formed on the center of curvature only. See here, this is the center of curvature point, and image is the same as that of the object size. Okay, and this is inverted image, and it is a real image formed at center of curvature when object is placed in center of curvature. Next, I will place this object in between focal length and center of curvature. Okay, let's see the when object is placed between C and F. Okay, is there any image formation taking place? Okay, see here, image is, but this is enlarged image. See here far away from the center of curvature, you are, okay, see here, you are seeing the clear image, but it is far distance from center of curvature, and it is highly enlarged. Okay, highly enlarged. Okay, see here, this is highly enlarged, and this is inverted. Okay, this is inverted image, means this is also a real image. Here you are getting a clear image on your screen. Okay, now I will place this object on a principal focus. Okay, when object is placed on principal focus, the image formation we will see. Let's see here. No, see here, see here. Image is not forming on a screen, means the image is highly enlarged. See here, highly enlarged, and image formation takes place at infinite distance when object is placed on a principal focus. Now I will place object in between pole of the mirror and principal focus. When object is bring towards the pole of the mirror, the object image formation also it will form behind the mirror. Okay, see here, is there any image formation you are seeing here? Okay, no. In this case, virtual image is formed just behind the image. Okay, virtual image is formed just behind the mirror. Okay, this is the last condition. Okay, this is about the practically explained. Here I practically explained that image formation by concave mirror. First one at infinite, second one behind a C, at third on center of curvature, fourth between F and C, fifth one on principal focus, sixth one between P and F. In at infinite, image formation takes place on principal focus. At center of curvature, behind center of curvature, image formation takes place in between C and F. Next, when object is on center of curvature, image also formed at center of curvature only. When placed in between F and C, the image formed behind the center of curvature on principal focus. It is formed at infinite. Here, the virtual image formed when we placed object P and F. I hope you guys are understand this concept with the practically, and in the next class I will explain the image formation by convex mirror. I hope, and next I will draw ray diagrams for these conditions. Okay, once you go through the previous once you go through my previous videos which are given in my description, and you can understand about reflection, refraction and the conditions of the image formation also. Okay, so subscribe my channel and also share my videos. Okay, bye.